What's going on, guys? Mark Freeman coming at you from the Philippines for today. Until I catch this plane, I'm doing my first ever, what the expats call a visa run in the Philippines. So I've been here 3 years. Every 3 years, you have to leave the country for 24 hours, and then you can return and continue to extend your tourist visa for another 3 years. So today is my official first visa run in the Philippines. I'm at the airport right now. Airport is so nice in Clark, by the way. It's not busy. Like, it was a little bit busy checking in, but not like American airports. I mean, just so much more calm, relax, chill. Just hang out, drink some coffee while you're waiting for your plane. Super chill. Really not even that many people here, so awesome airport to hang out. I love Clark Airport. So by the way, that's a tip. That's a travel tip. If you're coming to the Philippines, do not fly into Manila. Fly into Clark. It's so much better. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video. What's going on, guys? Mark Freeman coming at you. So that's the thing I like about Clark Airport also, is it's very easy to navigate their airport, as it's not that big. So you can see it's there. And then there's just this long hallway right here, and then you catch your plane over there. You arrive here, and then you depart over there. I think that's what it is. Okay, just made a correction. It's not an L shape, it's a T shape, but it's still very easy to navigate Clark Airport because it's not that complicated. So there's like coffee shops, little bakeries. Actually, this little gift shop right here is actually pretty cheap for the airport, but some of the drink prices are very expensive here in the airport. Like, I bought a bottle of water for 70 pesos. That's like super price gouging. There she is, guys. Ain't she a beaut? Beautiful Filipino. Oh, there's Eva Air. Is that my plane? Is that my plane? Am I supposed to be on that plane right now? Ain't she a beaut? I hope that's my plane. That looks better than my plane when I came here. The plane I came here in was like a can. I was scared. You know, you know what I don't like about Taiwan is, like, I think it's psychological the way they build the airports to where you never actually get up close to the plane, right? You never even, sometimes you don't even see your plane. You just walk through that little thing right there and you never even see your plane, right? So when I was in Taiwan, they have like a little bus that takes you to the plane, and then you actually have to go up a ladder, like a little stairs. They like roll some stairs up to the plane, and you have to go. So you see your plane like very up close and personal. You see all the dents in the plane, all the scratches in the plane, and that's like, oh my goodness, this plane looks like trash.
紧塞移除口罩，拿下面罩，罩住口鼻，调整风景，正常呼吸。Please remove any face coverings before putting on the Shh, we're coming in hot. I don't want to alarm anybody, but we're coming in hot. This is me wondering how close to the ground I have to be to survive a plane crash at 400 miles per hour. We're turning. I don't like turning. It's gonna make me nauseous. I don't know which is worse, the takeoff or the descent. But the flight was super smooth. Once you get up there, super smooth. It's just the up and down that makes you pray to baby Jesus. Jesus, Jesus, help me. I need my anxiety medicine, Jesus, but it's in my suitcase, and my suitcase is in the stowaway cabin, and I can't get up cause the stewardess will yell at me. Oh, they're putting the brakes on. It's getting rumbly.
I'm scared. I'm gonna hold this old lady's hand. Oh, I think she fell asleep. This old lady is asleep. I'm over here scared out of my mind. Oh, these two people are holding hands. They're a couple. I guess I can't join in that one. That would be awkward. Excuse me, sir. Do you mind if I hold your wife's hand? Because I'm terrified. There it is. There it is. There it is. Oh, full throttle stop. Oh, forward shields up. Oh, Jesus, make it stop. Oh, we made it. We made it. Reverse engines.
Yeah.
There's no steps. There's no steps on this escalator. What? Revolutionary. You gotta be effing kidding me, guys. I found Bush beer in Taiwan. Wow. That's impressive. Bush, I'm impressed. You guys made it all the way to Taiwan. Have not seen Bush beer anywhere in the Philippines. There it is, guys. If you like the Bush, I'm a more of a Bush latte guy, but regular Bush is good. I like Bush. If you like Bush, like this video and comment. What's going on, guys? Found a cool place to spend the night here in Taiwan airport. I don't know, they'll probably throw me out of this room, even though there's literally nobody here. But it looks like they're gonna close that door maybe later tonight. But if they don't, I can sleep on this bench right here. I'm good to go. Use this as my pillow. Not sure, but I think this is Taiwanese Dr. Pepper. I'm back. Oh, hi, dog. I'm back. Hey, dog. I'm back. I'm back, guys. I'm home now. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord.
We made it.
Hi, person I always wave at but never talk to. I'm back. Oh, hi, trash people. I'm back. Hi, neighbors. I'm back. Hi, neighbors that always see me naked. I'm back.
Yeah, they don't see you naked for one day.
Because I don't care about closing the curtains when I'm done taking a shower. Ma.